Prefer crumpets over traditional toast? Well, now that you've got the smart oven air fryer, you don't have to step out to a cafe to get your crumpet fix. A perfectly toasted crumpet slathered in buttery goodness can be made in your kitchen. Here's how. Set your oven to the top rack position. When making crumpets, the smart oven air fryer has room for up to 6 crumpet slices. And you have complete control over the toasting darkness of your crumpets with the temperature dial. This capability is really clever because browning can vary from crumpet to crumpet. If you're using frozen crumpets, use the frozen button. When it is activated, it reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to ensure the crumpet is heated thoroughly without burning the outside and without constant monitoring. When you're ready, hit the Start Cancel button to commence crumpet browning. The LCD will turn orange and your timer will begin automatically. While we're waiting, you might be thinking, what's the difference between toast and crumpet function? It's a good question. The main difference is that when using the crumpet function, the Element IQ system delivers more heat to the top of the oven to ensure you achieve that classic golden glow. A homemade crumpet with buttery goodness? What a way to start your day, right?